Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. And yes, this video is about a mistake I made last year that I learned from and I already fixed. So here's the mistake. I got a grant last year for our first Lego League registration, for the field kit, and for all the things that just went with our robotics season. However, the grant money was not going to come till October. And so I guess I just got wrapped up in the school year and I waited till October 5th. In fact, it actually was past October 5th because that's when the money came, and then I had to order the registration and the field kit and everything that went along with our first Lego League money. And so what did that do? Obviously, that put us way behind on our first Lego League schedule, because our qualifier was in December. And so, if you can do the calendar, we barely had time in October. We had all of November, but you guys know with Thanksgiving, that was even short. And then a tiny bit of December. And so, yeah, we were scrambling. We were trying to get a lot of things covered. And I didn't even have time to go over core values with my team. And so I blew it. It was not their fault. I blew it. We just didn't have enough time, and it was just because of that time issue. So I got smart this year. I got the grant again, and then I just walked over to my principal and I said, hey, is it okay for us to take, some of the budget that they had for my robotics class, put it towards our registration, and then when I get the money with the grant, we can just, transfer the money. And it worked out beautifully. And so come Monday, which should be today, I'm ready to order get the registration and order the field kit so we can get it soon, so we can start to practice and definitely not rush and have everything just be scatterbrained like, hey, everybody, what are we doing? And so if you're wondering, I got some numbers for you. For this year, the cost did go up for your registration, so it's going to be $285 for your first Lego League registration. I'll have to do some research and see if that is the same for the future edition, but this is going to be for the Founders Edition. Your field kit is going to be $105. That is up to, I think it used to be $95. And then you're going to pay a $20 just standard ground shipping. And so that comes out to a grand total of $410 for one team's registration. And that's, not even including if you need a spike kit or, whatever kit you might need for you guys to participate. And so I just feel a whole lot better. Man, I feel a whole lot better just knowing that we'll get this kit way in advance. I mean, we'll have, if everything goes right, part of August, the entire month of September, October, and then November, and then we should be so good to go come December if we budget our time right. And please subscribe, because I'm going to help those of you that are new coaches or just coaches that maybe you've coached before and this is your first year coming back. If you just forgot some timeline issues, I'll go over some more videos in the next weeks and month, just showing you your timeline, just to make sure you're budgeting your time right. And it's not going to be anything like, the world is coming to an end, but just saying, hey, by this time you should have done this. And if you're behind, then you just budget your time a little better. You might throw in an extra practice so you're not panicking. But that's just the good feeling, is to get your kits early so you have the time to go over your robot game, be able to cover all those things as far as your robot, the attachments, having your team be able to explain what the mistake you made. Because, we were so pressed for time, it was hard for us to even articulate what the problem we had was and what we fixed. A lot of our robot was it was not real great to start with, and we just went with it. We didn't really have time to modify much. But if you get your kit early enough, build all your models, you give your team a chance to go over missions, figure out something that's wrong and can be improved, and now your robot game and even your robot design score is going to be so much better because you're able to explain what was the issue and how you fixed it. What missions did you want to try for, but you figured out it wasn't worth the time or the effort or the points. And so, there's so many benefits of getting your kit early. So this video is kind of a knock reminder. If you haven't registered and gotten your field kit yet, I would definitely make that your August priority. Now, we still have some time left in August, but don't make the mistake I made and just figured, oh, well, we'll just, figure out a way. If it's a money issue, figure out a way sooner than later on how to get these funds. And that's something I wish I had done last year. I should have went, wait a second, if we get this in October, we're in trouble. And I guess I had so much on my plate that I really, it was my first year doing First Lego League here in Tennessee. And I just thought maybe I had more time than I did. And it was a big mistake. So learn from me, get your kit and your registration early so you can sit back and just budget your time a lot better instead of panicking and having 5 practices in 1 week. Just rushing, and then you end up missing something like we did badly. So, okay, so throw down any comments you have. Throw down in the comments section, what's your team name? What part of BioGlow, if you have your kit already, what's your favorite mission? Let's have this be our forum to just discuss things, give shout outs to teams. Let's make this super fun because that's what First Lego League's all about, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.